Actually, I'm Dr. P.K. Jha. I'm a neurosurgeon in Noida and East Delhi. I've been operating on brain and spine for the last 25 years after passing from all the Institute of Medical Science in Delhi. So I see from many years that diseases are actually diseases of mind. And in many cases, the diagnosis is quite obvious and that we're seen in the CT scan and MRI, the blood test, and it's very easy to give medicine and do surgery for that. But many times patient comes with complaints, but the tests are normal. All the blood tests, CT scan, MRI, particularly in cases of migraine, tension headache, and many other conditions are there. Medicine just suppresses things. It can alleviate symptom, but cannot cure the disease which is causing the discomfort. So I've been using Healy for myself and my patients, and the results are really surprising. And it's very difficult to believe. If you tell anyone, they will not believe. They might say that there might be some other agenda in there, whatever they are saying. So being a doctor, I have to be responsible for what I'm saying to others and to my patients. And Healy has really transformed. And because it works on the energy level, it works on the, not on the mass, but on the energy. Einstein said that mass is actually a condensed form of energy. So if you work on the energy, the mass can be modified. And here the energy is measured and monitored, your aura is scanned, and all these things are quite unbelievable. How one can measure the aura of any person from any distance. So where that this space and time event is not there, how this drum is being monitored, where distance is not mattering. So these things are very, people are so much bound in this space and time dimension that they do not believe this. But quantum physics has really changed everything. And I explained them that how does this work? How in real time, everything is here and now. There is no there and then. Everything is here and now, happening right now. And the quantum field is that where you can measure anyone, anywhere. So I've tested this particular thing in myself and in my patients, whom I knew that how is that person. And as I expected, the aura result comes. And I try to increase my aura by certain meditations. And when you focus on that too much, that my aura should increase, it rather decreases. If you strain your mind too much, but you have to be state of effortless flow, and it increases. So I have done seminars in groups, and I measured the group's aura. And after the seminar of peace and meditation, the group aura used to increase. And the emotional analysis and the energy and the thought process going on in any person, they really say that, yes, this is going in my life. So Healy works on that level, and Healy identifies your energy field. And I have treated many patients of migraine, maybe 3 or 4 patients, they are cured. Cured means their pain is completely gone after consistent pain for last many, many years in one session. And they are now encouraged to take Healy in their in personal use. And knee pain, the back pain, neck pain, all these things, chronic pains are relieved slowly. And in one particular patient in whom I remember, even was not believable to me that I had took Healy in December last. And in January, in hospital, one patient was admitted for depression. And he was history of depression, and he was not taking any food. He was not speaking for last 10 days. And some doctors told me, sir, please see this patient. And he was not taking any medicine because he was not able to swallow them in water. And just by one session of gold cycle and one salt analysis, muscle analysis and healing, he began to speak the next day, and he was taking water and the medicine. He was discharged in next 2-3 days. So that is, the miracle is happening. And I just earnestly request the doctors community also to incorporate Healy in their practice, particularly for cases where there is no identifiable symptom, diseases, or the tests are normal, and the patients are suffering. We just give analgesics, antibiotics, or some vitamins or calcium in such cases. We don't have anything else to give them. And we must measure the energy field. We must use this Healy. And we also should collect the database from various patients to further validate the findings of this particular treatment. And the holistic healing is that when you cure the body, but you should also cure the body, mind, and soul in a holistic way. And that's what my request to all the doctors and all the hospitals should have this device in their this thing, and they should use such cases and then help the humanity. For this, Marcus BK has done so much to give this to the humanity, and it is responsibility on us to take this device further for the every person on this planet. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And I will continue to use this for my patients and tell about this device to other also. Thank you.